Text carousel animation is quite popular these days. It looks stunning and creative. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a text carousel using expressions. Not just that, I have come up with a Text Carousel Builder script, which allows you to make a text carousel in a single click. So, without further ado, let's get started. So let's create a new composition and give it a name. You can see my composition settings on the screen. First, I'm going to select a type tool and then add text into this composition. Let me align this quickly. To create a text carousel, I'm going to use expressions, so I am going to add a new null object. Let's rename this layer as marker. Then I duplicate this layer and rename it as wheel controller. And make sure you name these layers correctly. This is important. First, I'm going to add an expression on the position property of this text. Then I open my notepad to copy the expressions. You can download this notepad file from the link in the description below. So I copy this expression. Let me close this notepad file. And then open the expression panel of this position property and then paste the expression here. Once you paste it, you can see our text has shifted to the right side. And now we are going to create a circular design using this text. So for that, I'm going to simply open its rotation property, and then once again I'm going to open my notepad file to copy the expressions. Then I copy this expression from here. Then I open the expression panel and paste the expression here and click anywhere to confirm this expression. Right now you can see nothing has happened yet. But when you duplicate this text layer, you can see the text is duplicated as well as it is in the composition like a circular pattern. Now, one more thing I want to tell you is that if you go to the paragraph settings, you can see right now it's left aligned. But if you want to change it, simply select all the text layers and click Center Align, so that way you change their alignment. Next thing is that if I select the wheel controller and open its rotation property and change its value, you can see our wheel is rotating. Also, if you can see, there is one text which is on the right side of the circle. That's an interactive text position. So I'm creating an arrow to indicate this. To create an arrow, I'm going to use the star tool to create a triangle and then adjust the settings to get a perfect look. So if you look in the timeline, there is a marker null object. If I move this to the text, you can see the text changes its position. This marker is responsible for animating this particular text. So to animate this circle, you have to animate the wheel controller by the rotation properties. Once you have animated the rotation property of this wheel, you will get this kind of result. So that's how you can create a text carousel using expressions in After Effects. And right now, it's time to introduce my free script called Text Carousel Builder. This is a very powerful script which allows you to create a text carousel with a single click, and you can download this script from the link in the description below, and it's absolutely free. Now let me show you how it works. Once you install the script, simply launch it. To launch the script, go to the window, and under this drop-down menu you will find Text Carousel Builder. Simply click on it, and the script opens. By default, it's set as a circle in this preset. To choose a different preset like a vertical or horizontal carousel. But right now, I'll keep it as a circle. And now, all you need to do is simply click on the Build Carousel button, and it will automatically generate multiple text layers and a circular design text carousel with master controls. So simply click on the wheel controller and go to the Effects Control panel, and you can see the different controls like Smooth Ease and the Auto Rotation checkbox. If you use this, the wheel automatically animates just like this. And if you check Smooth Ease, the animation becomes smoother. So you have both options. Next is Total Words. If you want to decrease the number of texts on this wheel, you can change the number and it will reduce it just like this. Then there's Rotation Speed. If you check this Auto Rotation checkbox, you can control the speed from this controller. Next thing is that we can control the scale of this highlighted text from this controller. And below it, you can change the colors of the text, like changing the normal text as well as the highlighted text. Second thing is that if you want to clean up this entire thing, All you need to do is simply click on this cleanup button and it will clean up everything, and now you can create from scratch. Let's talk about the layout mode. Under the drop-down menu, you will find two different options. If you choose the vertical one and create a carousel, you will get this kind of vertical text carousel design, and then you can go to the wheel controller, and from here, you can change the item spacing as well. And as I said before, you can control the colors from this master control anytime. So that's how you can create a text carousel with this script in After Effects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.